Open black lens bracket 30W PD 30W QC3. 0 Super fast charging close black lens bracket Syncwire USB C car charger. Fast charging is equipped with PD3. 0. 30W, QC3. 0. 30W, dual port to maximize your device charging speed, which can rapidly charge iPhone 13 from 0% to 80% within 30 minutes and fully charged Samsung Galaxy S22 in 1 hour. Open black lens bracket superior safety with multi-protection close black lens bracket. Certified by multiple safety certifications and built-in smart chip, Syncwire iPhone car charger within intelligent control chip offer multiple protection against overcurrent, short circuit, overvoltage, undervoltage, overtemperature, overpower protection, which will guard the safety of your devices. Open black lens bracket unique pull ring smaller size than ever close black lens bracket massive power into a tiny car charger not much bigger than your thumb. This USB-C car charger fast charging perfectly blends with most car cigarette lighters. Besides, a pop-up pull ring will help you easily pull out the fast car charger. Open black lens bracket suitable for almost all vehicle close black lens bracket. The small car charger can plug into the standard auto socket, cigarette lighter, of all vehicle models with DC 12 to 24 volts input. It fits flush with the face of the console when pushed in and is designed with a foldable handle for pulling it out easily. The soft blue LED light is useful for finding USB sockets and driving safely in the dark. Open black lens bracket stays fully charged on the go close black lens bracket. With shrapnel snap-in design, Syncwire car charger tightly locks the car cigarette lighter. It is able to secure charging even on the bumpy roads, preventing poor contact and power outage caused by vibration during driving. Top reviews from the United States. Extremely satisfied. I brought this car charger because of work. I need to use my phone to use the company's apps and my phone's drops to like 50% by the 4th hour of my shift and the cable the company has in the car didn't charge my phone fast enough. After buying this charger it fixed my issue from night 1 of using it, and if you have a USB-C to a USB-C it will do the fast charge for your Samsung phones.